The Japanese candlestick tells lots of stories in the forex market. So these green and red bars you're seeing here are what we call the Japanese candlesticks. And what they represent is what happens in the market every time period. If you look at this point, you see that this is GBP USD H4, which tells you that this candlestick here represents what happens in Great Britain pounds versus the United States dollars every 4 hours. So each of them represent 4 hours price actions. Let's just pick one of them and interpret. Maybe let's begin with this one that you're seeing right here. This is a bullish candlestick, this green one. It tells you that the market appreciated. And what does that mean? It tells you that the opening price is always lower than the closing price. So there are 4 important things you need to note about the candlestick. Number 1 is the opening price. Number 2 is the closing price. Number 3 is the lowest price reached. And number 4 is the highest price reached. So those are the 4 important things that each candlestick will tell you. The opening price is at this point where the rectangular bar began. So this is the opening price. The lowest price is this tip of this lower wick. So we call this line here a lower wick. So the tip of this lower wick is the lowest price reached within that 4 hours. The highest price reached is the tip of this upper wick, and then the closing price is this end of this bar. Now, what this tells you is that the market opened at this price, got to the lowest of this price within that 4 hours, then got to the highest of this point within that 4 hours, and finally came back to close at this point. So the closing price is higher than the opening price. That tells you that the market appreciated. So that is the bullish market. Height of this bar tells you the volume that was traded within that period. So we call this shaded part of the real body. So the bigger the real body, that shows the more volume that was traded within that period. So varies how you interpret a bullish candle. So when you have more bullish candles like this, that means there is a very strong uptrend, very strong appreciation in the market. And in that case, you should be buying the market along the way. On the other hand, the red candles represent bearish market within that 4 hours. So in a bearish candle, the market opened at a higher price and depreciated, closing at a lower price. The opening price is at this point, the top of this rectangular bar. That is where you have the opening price. Then the closing price is right here at the bottom of the rectangular bar. That is where you have the closing price. Then this is the highest price that price got to before it started falling, and this is the lowest price that price got to after it fell from this highest price. It fell to this lowest price before finally it closed at this point. And this is the real body. Like I said, the distance between the opening price and the closing price is the real body. So here is the upper wick, and here is the lower wick. Now, the length of a wick tells you also another story, because in this case, where you have the bulls moving the market up to this point and then losing it all to the bears, tells you that there is so much bearish pressure right here, that the bears within this zone are aggressive. They are very strong and they are not joking. So in that case, when you see such a long upper wick or lower wick, it tells you the strength of the bears within that region. And if it is a lower wick, it tells you the strength of the bulls within that region. So like in this case, you see a very big upper wick that tells you that the market moved up to this point, but the bears within that region resisted price from moving further up, and they pushed the price down. You can see the consequence. It sent the price down. In the same manner, the same thing repeated here and sent the price down. Previously, the bulls right here sent price up from here when the market got down here, leaving this long lower wick. Now that means that bulls within this area will most likely repeat the same thing around this area. They may send this price up once again if they are still strong within the zone. So that is exactly what the candlestick tells you. Now, when you have flat bottom candlesticks like this, what it tells you is that in this case, the market opened just at this point, and because the bulls are very strong, they did not allow the bears to even move an inch to the downside. Rather, they took the price up, moving to the very highest price and not even allowing the bears to push it down a little. That tells you that there is much bullish strength in the market at that point in time. That's also the same thing with the bears. If you see the bearish candle open without any upper wick, it tells you how strong the bears are at that point in time. The market opened just at that point and did not even allow the bulls to move an inch to the upside, and they tracked the price down, and you can see how it continued moving. So that is exactly how you can interpret candlesticks at any point in time on your MetaTrader 4 chart. Now you can always change the time frame to get what happens in at every other time period in time. Let's say I want to check what happens every 1 hour. I'll tap on the chart, then click on H1. Right, so this tells me what happens every 1 hour. All right, so every 1 hour, this is what happens. I hope this helps. So thank you for watching. Ensure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out when I release my next videos.